Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a haul. I haven't done a haul in ages. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, my name is Liz. Do subscribe if you want to keep up to date with my content. Today's haul is a collaboration between PLT and Molly May. I'm not gonna lie, I am late with filming and uploading this. It was my birthday last week and I've just been in La La Land ever since. So I do apologise if this is late. Also, I do apologise for the lighting because I'm using natural daylight to film. So the light is just doing its own thing. It's coming and it's going. It's just moving mad right now. So we're just making use of natural daylight. Yeah, so I am gonna show you guys what I was able to get my hands on from PLT/Molly May collection. If you're not familiar with Molly May, prior to Love Island, she was actually a beauty blogger/influencer/YouTuber. She was a runner-up with her boyfriend Tommy in this year's season of Love Island 2019 in the UK. So she did come out with a collection with PLT, and I'm simply just going to show you the items or pieces that I was able to get from this collection. The collection came out, I got it the day after, and I'm not going to lie, the majority of the pieces were sold out. So it was literally a scramble, me trying to get my hand on a few pieces here and there, and what I was able to get my hands on is what I'm going to show you in this video. Most of the pieces I would say were staple colours, which just had lots of whites, blacks, denims and tan colors. There wasn't bold colors, nor was there bold prints. It was pretty much very neutral and subtle, and I think that reflected on the kind of colors that I guess she wore throughout her time on the island. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely expected more designs tailored to what I see on her Instagram. But either way, there were definitely a few pieces in the collection that I thought were very nice, or that are up my alley, and there's other pieces that I was just like, I'll give it a miss. So I'm just gonna show you the items I was able to get. Congratulations to Molly May, that is amazing to have a collaboration with a brand. Items came up to like 300 something pounds. I feel like the range was, I guess, quite affordable considering it's PLT, so it wasn't something out of this world. So as always, I want you guys to let me know which items you think I should keep and which items you guys think I should just take back and get my money. I'm just gonna get into this. I'm gonna try these items on in real time instead of me taking the pieces out and showing you. I feel like that's just too time consuming. This is my huge PLT bag that I did get, and I'm just gonna show you guys all the items in here. So I'm back. I'm here to show you guys the first item in her collection. It's this faux leather, I guess, tan/camel dress. I'm not gonna lie, most of the sizes were like sold out, so I just picked up whatever I got. So I got this one in a UK size 10 or 12, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I do like this. I think it's quite different, but it's something I would wear. Sorry, I'm on my tiptoes because I'm pretty short. But what do you guys think? I feel the quality of this feels good. I feel like I could wear this with a white polo neck and some cute boots for the weather, but I would obviously like to wear it by itself like this. But I do love the belt. It's got that tortoise shell theme going on, and yeah, I guess it's quite different. I feel like I can imagine this in somewhere like Zara, you know, but let me know if this is a keeper or is this not a keeper. So this is the second outfit that I'm wearing for trying on from the collection. Let me just show you guys how the bottom looks like. I guess this is not petite friendly. I've told you guys already I'm 5'2". If there's some of you want to be arguing with me about my height and my size, it's cool. Yeah, if you're 5'2" like myself, this is ridiculous. You need to get this tailored. I normally get my bottoms in petite, so yeah. The fit is okay. I mean, it's a bit big, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, I normally like to get a 10. I got these in a 12. I thought I could go a size up. For the top, I got it in a 10. Right now, I feel like, you know, I'm giving you guys some TLC vibes. So this one, I'm not too sure what my feeling is about it. I feel like this outfit is supposed to be baggy anyway, and it's not actually white. It's like an ivory color. Well, on the website it looked white. This is more like a yellowy white ivory color, so just bear that in mind if you want to get this. It's not pure white, if that makes sense. It is what the second outfit looks like. Do you think I should keep this, or do you think I should return this? So this is look number 3. Look number 3 is a denim white play suit. Because I've gained weight, I went a size up, and I don't think I should have done that. Yeah, I think I should have got it in a size 10, to be fair. I know it's not supposed to be fitted, it's supposed to be oversized, but I guess this is a tad bit too oversized. I feel like I'm going on a painting job. We're going to paint someone's house or something. With this look, I just flopped myself. It's my fault. So I'm back with another look. This look is this checkered blazer with white, I guess, long plazo trousers. Tan and white color checkered blazer. It's double-breasted, as you can see. I do like the way this fits. I feel like this is a nice blazer. I got this in a 10. I got the trousers in a 12. The trousers are long plazo trousers. So again, it's not in petite, so I'll have to get it tailored shorter or just get them cut myself. Unfortunately, there wasn't a petite section for the shorties like me. This trousers fits better than the other one. I feel the other 12, even though it's oversized, was a bit too big. Whereas this one fits okay, so I could stay with the 12. I do like this blazer a lot. It is a bit flimsy, it isn't as structured, but it has light pads in the shoulder. But I do really like the blazer. I feel like I'm going to keep this blazer. This is the first thing that I think I really do like in the collection that I've tried on so far. But I feel like this would have been a nice blazer dress. I feel very grown in this in this blazer. I guess you could wear it like this. But yeah, it does look nice. I do like this one a lot actually. So for me, I feel like I'm going to keep this, and you let me know if you think this one is a keeper or not. This whole outfit is a yay or is it a nay? Let me know in the comment section below. So this next outfit is this black and white striped cold or cord set. It's an oversized look. I do remember being oversized when Molly wore it. Really liked the way it looked on her, and I actually like the way it looks like on me. I got the blazer in a 10. I got the trousers in a 12. The quality on this feels really, really good. It is collarless, so it doesn't have a collar. That's good for those of you that are scared of staining your tops or your blazers because of your makeup. Yeah, it just fits nicely. I don't know what else to say. This is something that I think I'm gonna keep, but as usual, I want you guys to let me know if you think it's a keep or if it's something you think I should return. I'm gonna let you guys see what the trousers look like. So these are what the trousers look like. Again, they are a little bit long, but I guess with heels, yeah, still long, I'm not gonna lie. Again, I apologize for the lights. The sun's coming, going. It's doing its own thing. This is giving me a lot of like Victoria Beckham vibes. As I said already, I feel like this collection is mixed with smart casual pieces. Say, I guess you can pull up the sleeves and wear it like this. You can wear this on a date night, I guess, or out with the girls for some cocktail or brunch or something. You can even wear this to church. I guess you can wear this to the office. You know, multi-purpose. I think I've changed my mind. I feel like this is my favorite piece in the item out of the clothing that I chose or was able to get my hands on so far. This fit is definitely more on the mature vibes. I don't feel like the youngsters will reach out for this look. You can, I guess, dress it down. But what do you guys think? Do you think it's something worth keeping? Or do you think it's something that I just, you know, get my money back? Yeah, I think this is nice. So this is the next item. And off the bat, I hate the smell of this. This is a faux leather long sleeve black dress. You know what, this is definitely different to what I would normally reach out for, but I thought, let me just pick this up to see what it looks like. I feel like I've gone back in the 80s/90s and I feel like I need to be in a Missy Elliott video or a Lil' Kim video. I don't know. I don't think I'll be wearing this one, but if you guys think it's cute, let me know. It feels good in terms of the quality. It feels really good. If I remember correctly, I believe this also comes in white. I don't know if I'm brave enough to wear this. I saw this on Molly and I thought, you know what, this looks quite different. I do want to try it on and see if I could pull it off, but I don't think I'm cool enough to pull this look off. This is what it looks like behind. It's got pockets. Oh, okay, these pockets are fake. They're just flaps. They're not real pockets, which is quite annoying. I don't know, I don't feel like this actually suits me, but do you guys think this is something I should keep, or do you think this is something that I should return? I can't remember the price of this, but I definitely remember I got this in the 12 because everything else was sold out. It was only from the 12, I believe, like 16 and 18. I don't feel cool enough to wear this, definitely not. But yeah, this is the last but one outfit that I did pick up from the collection. Let me know what you think, and I'll be right back. So I wasn't too sure how this fit was gonna look because I was like, I don't know, it's probably not my style per se, but they had it in the blue denim and this white denim. Again, I don't think I'm as cool to wear this look, but wearing it on, I do like it. I am sold more on the top than I am the bottoms. The bottom's a bit too cut for my liking. Like over here the flap is a bit too much. I'll probably stitch that up if I was to keep it. I believe I got this in 12. The jeans fits really snug and really good. Again, because this is cropped, it feels weird on how to wear it. I'm like, am I wearing it right? Am I not wearing it right? Am I cool enough to wear it or not? I'm not too sure. But this is the last fits that I managed to pick out from the Molly May / PLT collection. So that is the end of the video. I want you guys to let me know if this one is a keeper or if you think I should actually return this one. Surprisingly, like this fit. I feel like it's different to what I normally reach out for, but it's cute. So yeah, that is the end. The sun is coming and going in, as I said already. My battery's about to die, but let me know what you guys think of this collection. Do you think this collection is something that was worth buying? Do you think it's a miss? If you have got it, which items did you like? And if you haven't bought these items from this collection, would you get it? Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
My battery died on me, guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, do please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and if there's any other videos you'd like me to do, if you've got any video requests, please leave that in the comment section down below. I'm sorry my energy was so low in this video. I was so tired. It's been an overwhelming week. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I shall speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!